We have the Sony XB100 wireless Bluetooth speaker. Let's take a look inside. Okay, let's see what's at the top here. We have some information booklets here. We'll just put those off to the side. Flip this over. Nothing else in there. Now let's take a look at the cable first. We have a USB-C to USB-A cable. And here we have the XB100 speaker right here. Once I just get it out of this wrapping, and here we are. Pretty nice weight to this one compared to another Bluetooth speaker that I have, but the weight on this is pretty good. Comes with a strap here. Looks like you can easily remove that, which is good. Oh, or not. Oh no, you can actually remove it. Just got to get that off. And then you should be able to just slide this out here. And the strap is now off. That is pretty good. Overall, I like the build quality on this. So I will do a review here on the channel shortly. But let me just go ahead and put everything here so you can see what it comes with. So you have the Bluetooth speaker right there. You have the information booklets, and you have the USB-C to USB-A adapter. Fairly short though, but that is what it comes with.